What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you or we'll be discussing with you how to send money from Botim to Easypaisa account. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, in this case, transferring from your Botim account is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to launch the Botim app on your phone and log in into your account if you're not already signed in. Now, once you're in, navigate to either the wallet or the transfer section. Now, depending on your version of the app, that's where all the money related options are live. Next is in that section, you want to select mobile wallet transfer. As your transfer method, this option lets you send money directly to digital wallets like Easypaisa. Now, type in the mobile number linked to the Easypaisa account you're sending money to. Make sure it's correct, and this is where the money will land. Next, input the exact amount you want to transfer. Whether it's small amount or something more, just type it carefully. Now, before you hit send here, take a quick moment to review the transaction, including the recipient's number, the amount, and any applicable fees. It's always good to double check here. And once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transfer, and the process will be completed, and you should see the funds show up in the Easypaisa account shortly. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.